All right, so we are in 2024. Let's talk about loans and how one can acquire a loan in Ghana in 2024. So let's get started. So first of all, what is a loan? So a loan is basically a thing, especially a sum of money that is given to someone and is expected that the person will pay back with interest. So who qualifies for a loan in Ghana? So basically any Ghanaian above the age of 18 qualifies for a loan, but there are requirements that the person needs to meet. First of all, the person has to be a business owner or the person has to be a salary worker. So let's dive deeper. So if you're a business owner and then you want to get a loan in Ghana, these are the requirements that you need to meet. The business has to be in existence for more than 6 months. Also, you will need evidence to support that the business belongs to you. This could be your invoice, this can be your rent agreement, this can be anything that shows that the business belongs to you. So, if you're a salary worker, all you need to provide is that you go to the bank or you approach the bank and then you just identify yourself as a monthly salary worker and then you will be granted a loan facility. But let me clarify this. When I say salary worker, someone who is a shop attendant is a salary worker. But if that person goes to a bank to acquire a loan, let's be sincere, the bank will not give that person a loan. But there are circumstances that a bank can give someone who is a shop attendant a loan. But that one will be another topic for another day. So if you have gotten to this part of the video, then please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and also like the video. And don't forget to share for others to benefit from it. Thank you. Let's dive deeper on some of the things that you need to provide in order to be able to acquire a loan in Ghana. So let's talk about the salary worker. So if you're a salary worker, you need your staff ID, you need your Ghana card and your passport size pictures. And then you can approach any bank in Ghana that is into salary loans, and then you go there and ask or you identify yourself as a salary worker, they will give you a facility. And again, if you're a business owner, you will need documents to show that the business belongs to you, as I was saying earlier. And this can be your invoices, it can be your duty papers, it can be your rent agreement. It depends on the nature of your business. It can even be transactions, a receipt of transactions you've sent to suppliers, or any documents at all that surrounds your business, or any documents at all that will show that the business belongs to you. So some of the things that you need to look out for when you're acquiring a loan is one, the interest rate. You need to be interested in the interest rate. Again, you need to be interested in the processing and the insurance fee. And also you need to take keen interest in the insurance package, and then you need to understand what the insurance package covers. So most of the insurance packages in Ghana covers sickness, it covers death, it covers flooding and fire outbreak. So in case the person dies or the fire burns the person's business, then it means that the insurance company will pay off the loan for the customer. So basically, if you want to acquire a loan in Ghana, these are the things that you need to look out for and what you need to provide in order to get a loan. So if you have any other question or you want any clarification, you can leave it in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time.